So with this example here, it wants me to use order of operations to solve the following or answer the following. I'm going to look at F. So F is 50 divided by 13 take 3 plus 4. Okay, now remember we're using our BIMDAS. Now if you want to use BOMDAS, it's the same thing. You just come up with something that works for you. Okay, BEDMAS, whatever you've dealt with before, so long as it works. Okay, so let's have a look here at B stands for brackets. B stands for brackets. Do I have brackets? Yeah. Yep. So I solve anything inside brackets first. So this is my first thing that I look at. So I have 50 divided by, and you'll see I just rewrite it and I just do it bit by bit so I don't make mistakes. 13 take 3. 10 plus 4. Okay, then I look for any indices. There's none. Multiplication and division. Well, there's a division there, so I can do that. What's 50 divided by 10? 5. Right, and then I have plus 4. And then I do any addition and subtraction from left to right. 5 plus 4 is 9. Okay, so let's then also have a look here at L. I'll just show you L as an example. So L is 48 divided by 4 plus 4 divided by 3 times 2. Okay, now I've got multiple brackets and things. So all I do is I look for my brackets first. Brackets, that and that. So I have 48 divided by, what's 4 plus 4? 8. Then I have divided by, what's 3 times 2? 6. Now, remember, I then look for multiplication and division. Multiplication and division, I have lots of division there. What's my rule when I have back-to-back multiplications and divisions or addition and subtractions? Left to right. So I'm going to work that way. Yeah, does that make sense? So if I want to work this way, basically I work in that direction, which means, first of all, what I am going to do is do this bit. So if I do this bit here, from left to right, what's 48 divided by 8? 6. Then I divide it by 6 because basically that just continues down that way. And so what now is 6 divided by 6? 1. And so that's my answer there. Okay. So must always remember to do this. Okay. So you can start copying this down if you want. I'm just going to show you as well I. Okay. Just as an extra example here. 14 take 7 divided by 7 plus 1 times 2. So I have here inside of brackets. So I've got these inside of the brackets, but what's the problem inside of those brackets? There's a division and addition and stuff. So what do I do first inside those brackets? An idea? Division, right? So this is like a little mini BIMDAS or BOMDAS inside a bigger BIMDAS or BOMDAS. Yeah? So I do the division first. So I have 14 take 7 divided by 7 is 1 plus 1 times 2. I then still do anything inside the brackets. So instead of inside the brackets here, I have 14 take, what's 1 plus 1? That's 2, times 2. I then look for multiplication and division. Multiplication's here, so I do that first. 14 take 4. And what's 14 take 4? 10. So that's how I go about doing all of this. Okay.